The East Kimberley is a land of beautiful and dramatic landscapes, inspiring memories of ancient times, where Aboriginal people were living in harmony with nature and everything it provided. This documentary zooms in on the Miriwung people and their mission to revive their precious heritage through an array of activities designed to reconnect young people with their legacy.
Our people have been living here for as long as time, many generations, thousands, tens of thousands of years. Miriwung are the people who can speak for this country, the country around Kununurra, or Kununurra, as our old people used to call that river that snakes its way through here. The Miriwung people are the traditional owner of this land.
Become immersed in captivating scenes featuring rivers, plains and mountains that have shaped this beautiful country. Join Miriwung people as they pass on traditional songs, dance and language. Visit a rock art site and cook in an earth oven. All this with a single goal: to connect the past, present and future.